Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to save our editing with this AI video editor which is called Gling AI. I will just show you the tutorial review of it. I will be just on this website and make sure you will have logged in or you can just try for free. And before I will just drag my video, I will just show you the video which I drag into. This is the original video.
Good afternoon. You must be Mr. Wang.
Yes, good afternoon.
Pleased to meet you. I'm Mrs. Clark.
So basically this is the video which I moved into drag like right over here, and I will just tap on it. I will just select the folder and just simply drag into it. So I want to just tab on it like continue. So here you will just enhance your video. You will just make sure you will just stick on it like cut silences, cut bad text, and remove filler words. So also you will just like subscribe button. So I will just tap on it, enhance and edit. So you will have to wait for the moment. So it will optimize and transcription quality. So basically in this way you will just save your hours of editings. This is the most concise tool which is Gling AI. So finally my video is ready, and make sure you will just turn it on, show cuts and skip cuts. So I will just play it and let's see.
Good afternoon. You must be Mr. Wang.
Yes, good afternoon.
Pleased to meet you. I'm Mrs. Clark, the bank manager. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
So tell me a little bit about yourself, Mr. Wang.
Well, I grew up in China and studied accounting. Then I worked at an accounting firm there for 2 years before coming to the States. I work well with others, and I like to challenge myself to constantly.
So you will just have to turn it off, and if you don't want, but I will just recommend it for turn it on this show cuts. And from here if you want to cut some lines like this one, you will have to turn it and it will cut it. So in this way you will just have to enhance your video to buy a safe hours, and you will just simply tap on it export, which is top right corner, and from here you will just choose the format like video, mp4, audio, mp3, subtitles, and there are many. So in this way you will just have to save your hours editing with this AI tool which is called Gling AI. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.